आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello students, so today our question is if y is equals to f of x, and this graph is somewhat like this, then we have to draw the graph of mode of y is equals to signum of f of x, and then mode of y is equals to mode of f of x mode, and y is equals to x raised to the signum of f of x. Here f of x is in the power of signum, and here we have to take the mode of x also. So first we correct this. Here this is the mode of x2. So we come to its solution. So finding its solution, first we should know what is signum of x. Signum of x, it is equals to 1 when x is greater than 0, and it is equals to 0 when x is equals to 0, and it is less than 0 when it's, then signum of f of x is minus 1. This is its value. Now we have to find signum of f of x. For this, what we will do, we will see where the function is positive, where the function is negative, and where it is equals to 0. So if we see its graph, it clearly shows that when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, union 1 to 3, then function is less than 0. And when it is equals to minus 2, 1, 3, basically where it cut the x-axis, it is equals to 0. And when it is belongs to minus 2 to 1 union 3 to infinity, it is positive, right? So when it is positive, its value is 1. When it is 0, its value is equal to 0. When it is negative, its value is minus 1 as the signum function is defined. So I will write here also at these points, function is less than 0. At these point, function is equals to 0. At these point, function is greater than 0. Okay, but now we have to find the graph of mode of y. If this is y, then we have to find its mode also. So to find its mode, what will it give? Mode of y, it is equals to either, what mode does? Mode does all negative changes all negative value into the positive. So minus 1 is also changing into the 1. So function will give only two value, 1 and 0. It is 0 when x is equals to minus 2, 1 and 3. Rest everywhere it is positive. So we can say that x belongs to real number, but except these number, it is 1. Right? Now we have to draw its graph. Its graph is quite simple. Let this is x-axis, this is y-axis, sorry, this is x-axis. Now we draw the point also, 0, 1, 2, 3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. This is 1, this is minus 1. We can write minus 2 also, and 2 also. The graph is at minus 2. It is open, then it is in, then at 1 it is open, then at 3 also it is open. Rest everywhere it is like it. Because at 3 it is positive, at 1 it is positive, and at minus 2 it is also positive. I hope you all get its first part. Now we go to its second part. What is second part? In second part, we have to draw the graph of mode of y, which is equals to mode of f of mod x. This. What is actually we have to do? Here we have to take the positive values of x, and negative also changes into the positive because here is mode. So first we draw the graph of f of x at the positive values of x, that is given If this is y-axis, this is x-axis, and this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 1, this is 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. See its graph. How does it move? At 0, it is little bit greater than 1. Then at 1, it goes to 1, then 3. It is like this. We draw this graph here also. So it is like this. At 1, it is, then at 1, it does the axis, then it goes downward, and at 3, it again cut the axis, then it goes upwards, right? Somewhat like this. And its negative values goes maximum. It is not mentioned here, so it can be, we draw it roughly, minus. Now for the negative value x, we have to take mod of all this, so the behavior should be same. So here the graph is like this. At 1, it touches the axis, then it goes down, then minus 3 again it traces. It is a mirror image of this. Clear? But now here is mod of f of x. Mod of f of mod x. So what it does, it changes the negative value also into the positive. So graph is like this. So now I'll clear this graph again. If this is y-axis and this is x-axis, and 0 point this, 1 this, 2 this, 3 this, minus 3 is this, minus 2 is this, minus 1 is this, and 1 is this, 2 is this. So it was like this. Something like this. I hope you all get the second part too. Now we move to third part. Now we move its third part. What is the third part? Y is equals to x raised to the power. Third part. Y is equals to x raised to the power signum of f of x. This is our third part. In third part, we already defined what is the signum of f of x. Signum of f of x. What is it? It is 1 at all the value except minus 2, 1 and 3. Rest everywhere. And at minus 2, 1, 3, it is 0. So y is equals to x raised to the power 1 or 0. It is 1 when x belongs to minus infinity to minus 2, minus 2 to 1, 1 to 3, and then 3 to infinity. And when x is equals to minus 2, 1, and 3, then it is x raised to power 0. So x raised to power, okay. The value is 1 for the mode of f of x. So we have to do little bit correction here. The signum f of x I've drawn wrong. It is minus 1 when x belongs to this, and x is to power 1 when x belongs to minus 2 to 1 union 1 to 3 to infinity maybe this was our question. So y is equals to 1 by x, x and 0. Now how to draw its graph? Let this is y-axis and this is x-axis. Now we draw this point 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And here is -1, -2, -3, -4. It is, when function is minus infinity to -2, it is inverse of x. At these points, the inverse function is like this. At this point is, minus function is like this. I'm drawing with blue so that it will be right. Then 1 to 3, it is also inverse function. At 1 to 3, it is somewhat like this. Like this, right? X is to pass 0, that is 1 at -2. Its value is, if this is 0.1, so at this value it is this. This is 1. At 1 also it is equals to 1. That means here the graph is 1. And 3 also it is equals to 1. At 3 also. And x -2 to 1, the graph would be like this. It is inverse -2 to 1. So the graph is like this. Here it is open interval, right? And wait a minute. Here it should be because it's for the negative values of x, so graph would be like here. So it's like something like this. Here it is open because at 2 it is this, and here also it is open. No, at 1 it is equals to 1, so you cannot make, no need to make here open, but here it is. So it is a graph of y is equals to x is to the signum of f of x. Thank you. I hope you all got this question.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।